Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily hide apps on your Samsung device. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorial. So in this video I'll show you two ways in which you can hide your apps. So if you look on the screen here, you'll see the Amazon shopping app here, and you'll also see the app on this page here. So if you go into settings, scroll down until you see home screen, so tap on that, and then you should see hide apps on home screen and app screens. So click on that, and this will bring up a list of all of your apps. So you can obviously go through whichever apps you want to hide. Obviously I'll select Amazon shopping, but obviously you can select more if you want to do so, and then just select done. So once you come out of here, you'll see the app has disappeared on this screen and also on the screen here as well. If you want to get the app back, just go back into settings, click on the hide apps option, and then just untick the apps that you want to get back, then select done. And it won't be on this page here, but if you scroll up, you'll see the app has returned. So you can obviously just put it back. You can also set up a secure folder. So sometimes you don't have this on your device straight away. So what you may need to do is go into the search bar at the top of your phone and then just type in secure folder. And then it should give you the option to set up a secure folder app on your phone or device. So just obviously just go through all the instructions on there. But obviously I can't click on the secure folder app because it'll turn off the recording on my phone. But once you've set up this app, it'll give you your own personalized PIN or password, so only you can access it, and you can obviously add as many apps as you wish to do so. So that's how you can hide your apps on your Samsung device. Thanks for watching.